My name's Adrian O. I'm from Dublin, Texas, and I just won this Camaro ZL1 plus $10,000 cash from Freedom Street Garage.
You're gonna have to start getting used to that sound, man.
My neighbors are gonna hate me.
Freedom Street Garage, welcome back to another video. Me and Joe are on the way to pick up FSG number 10 winner. He's gonna take ownership of his prize car today, and we're so excited to get this process going. Let's get to it. We see Adrian. You guys, we just picked up Adrian and Jessica from the airport. Adrian, how are you feeling?
Pretty excited.
We are headed back to the office now, and we're gonna go present him his grand prize, the 2022 Camaro ZL1 10K cash, and you guys get to go have fun with it.
Awesome.
Sounds good?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Today is a big day. I'm standing here with Adrian O out of Dublin, Texas. We are about to hand him the keys, 10K cash, and his 2022 Camaro ZL1. How are you feeling?
Pretty excited, anxious.
Anxious?
Feels unreal, but
Is it feeling real right now?
Here I am in San Diego, so.
Sunny San Diego. Adrian came out from Texas. It was snowy, it was cold, but beautiful San Diego. He's gonna take ownership of this car, and for the first time in FSG history, we had a redraw. I just wanted to make that clear. So this was in Adrian's fate. Like this is your car. This was meant to be. We're about to go. Hand you the keys. Are you ready?
Oh yeah.
Let's do it.
Oh, no way.
Congratulations!
No way. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to say. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh.
So do you know much about this car?
Camaro ZL1, 6.2 liter supercharged.
That's it, yep, exactly. These things are really fast.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're really fast. I'm excited for you to get behind the wheel and try it out. That's gonna be the best part of this thing. Do you wanna take a look under the hood and at the interior and stuff?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
So you've got your Alcantara Recaro seats.
Oh my gosh.
Is this starting to sink in?
Yes.
Oh man. Go ahead and fire it up.
Oh.
Give her some revs. You're gonna have to start getting used to that sound, man.
My neighbors are gonna hate me.
Want to take a look at that V8 under the hood?
Oh yeah.
Let's go ahead and pop the hood. In here, really easy. It's all yours, man. This entire V8, the supercharger.
Friends are gonna have fun looking at this.
I bet. So you drive a Charger right now?
Yes.
Okay, nice. So is this gonna be a pretty big upgrade?
Pretty big upgrade from a 3.6.
3.6?
Yes.
Oh man, okay, yeah. This is gonna be a huge upgrade for sure.
Yeah.
So you've got your 6-piston Brembos, 4-piston Brembos in the back, so no problem stopping this thing. We've taken it on the track. We've drag raced it. This thing can beat a Hellcat off the line, depending on what tires the Hellcat has. But yeah, this car, even though it's got a little bit less horsepower, it can keep up with Hellcats. So never be scared of those things if you ever come across one in the wild.
Oh my gosh.
Title in the cash, 10K cash. The title to the ZL1 Camaro.
Oh my gosh.
Does it feel real?
It feels very real.
So did you follow us on Instagram, right?
Yes.
So how did you find us, and where did you find us?
It was just an ad that I saw and I kept seeing them, but y'all stuck out.
Was it for the ZL1?
Yes, and y'all stuck out the most. There's others out there, but
what did you pick up from the website that
all
in turn
I
won you
got
this car?
was a blade, a lighter, and a bottle opener. That's all I got.
And in turn, you're taking home this 2022 650 horsepower ZL1 10K cash, an opportunity of quite literally a lifetime.
Oh yeah.
How are you feeling?
Pretty damn excited to take this back home.
Okay, we partnered up with Scosh to give the lucky grand prize winner of this ZL1 this just ultimate interior. It's a jump starter, some e-com. This is all for you.
Nice.
So you are decked out in ZL1. I know. Are you ready to get behind the wheel and go test this thing out on the road?
Oh hell yeah.
Let's do it.
Gosh. I'm just speechless right now, so. I never thought I'd be behind a Camaro ZL1.
Isn't it crazy?
Very crazy.
So we can go right here, roll into it a bit. It's pretty, it's like
The most powerful thing I've been behind of was
crazy, right?
Was my friend's 5.0 Mustang.
okay. Those are like 450,
Yes.
400, 450, something like that. And those are NA, so the power band is like, it's not subtle, but it's a little bit more subtle than something like this. How does it feel?
Feels real nice.
Yeah.
Just like a new car.
Okay, so now that you just drove it for a bit in sport, let's go ahead and throw it in track mode.
Okay.
The sound is going to be the same, but the steering's going to tighten up, and the suspension is going to be a little bit stiffer.
Oh, this is a dream come true.
How does it feel?
Feels real nice. Feels so smooth.
That feeling is like no other. Seriously.
Yeah, listen to that Supercharged line.
Yep.
My name's Adrian O. I'm from Dublin, Texas, and I just won this Camaro ZL1 and $10,000 cash from Freedom Street Garage.